That we have all the parts to our lunar cruise ship, we're going to put it all together. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to rotate the fire shape to make it look more like this. To do that, we're going to click on it, and then you see these arrows that appear for rotating in 3 different directions. Right, there's the other one. So the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to rotate it 180 degrees. All right. If you don't see the arrows right away, you can just zoom in, and you can also move it around and the arrows will appear. So now I need to rotate it like this, 90 degrees. All right, now that we have the fire oriented in the right direction, we're going to align it with the engine module. To do that, we're just going to put a rectangle around both items. Make sure that you don't have anything else selected. All right, once you've done that, we'll come up here and click Align. All right, and now we have it aligned. It doesn't look perfect. You can definitely see the fires sticking out, so we can adjust that. One thing I'm going to do is click on the engine module, and then click on this pyramid or cone or triangle shape and raise it up. Let's see what that looks like. All right, on mine, that looks pretty good. Don't worry about the fact that the fire is below the work plane. We will fix that in a minute. But for now, let's group these 2 things together. Once you have it the way you like it, you can group it together. So again, to do that, you're going to select those 2 items and hit group. Now you can move them as one piece. All right, now we are going to align all of the parts of our rocket. So select everything that you want to align. All right, then we're going to come up to the Align tool and click on it. All right, and then we're going to click on these middle dots to align everything together. All right, that looks okay, but as you can see, the body of the rocket is covering up the engine module. So what we're going to do is select the nose cone and the body of the rocket, and we're going to raise it up a little bit. All right, that looks much better. All right, once it looks good to you, you can group everything together by placing a rectangle around it and coming up to the group tool, clicking it. And the last thing I would do is raise it up to make sure it's sitting on top of the work plane. All right, I think it looks great. I am going to go ahead and delete the example one, and you are ready to move on to the next step. Thanks for watching.